Welcome. Thank you for your interest in sustainable development. If we want to achieve the 17 SDGs by 2030, we need a lot of support from people like you who will help us take concrete action all around the world. The 17 SDGs were agreed in 2015 by all UN member states. That means that as citizens of all our countries, we are obliged to contribute to sustainable development. Moreover, if we want to keep our planet healthy and if we want to keep a good future for humanity, we need to make sure that we are all contributing to make substantial change in the behavior of our actions and to keep inspiring people to make a positive change. When Baden-Powell founded the Scout movement, he was not imagining that 100 years from then, we were going to have a global commitment to work towards sustainable development. However, he was certain that if we all Scouts could join efforts to work together, we were going to be able to achieve peace and more prosperity for humanity. Scouting for SDGs is another way to take care of our planet and make sure that we are contributing to a lasting peace in our world, take care of the planet, take care of our people and ensure prosperity. So this e-learning was made for you to inspire you to take action. Let's dive in and learn together.